Mga negosyantes, kilalanin natin ang mga bago nating kaakibat sa pagsulong ng entrepreneurship, ang UNO International Corporation.
That's right, Bab. More than the financial breakthroughs, UNO has become an avenue for many people, especially the youth, to build their confidence, hone their communication skills, and have an entrepreneurial training. Pakinggan natin ang motivating stories ng mga UNO young entrepreneurs na sina Nico, MC at Christine.
Before I joined UNO, I was actually studying in Ateneo. So, fourth year ako noon, I was taking up business management. Before pala ako nakagraduate talaga, naghahanap na ako ng mga negosyo na pwedeng i-start.
Before ako mag-join sa UNO, I was a student sa Philippine Normal University. I was taking up psychology and I was running for magna cum laude. Kasabay ng psychology, meron akong kinukuhang specialization na mathematics. So, medyo mahilig akong mag-aral. Reality will tell you na kahit pala honor student ka, very hard yung competition when it comes to the employment world.
Ang goal ko, ako kasi nag-challenge ako yun. Katulad nun, nagmamasteral ako para ako yung unang MBA na 22 years old.
At a very young age, I was able to start my own business sa pamamagitan ng UNO.
Actually, when I first saw the products, I like the supplements, but the beauty products I wasn't really sure of because for me, selling wasn't really my expertise, kumbaga.
At first, nahirapan din, napagod, napuyat, tinuloy-tuloy lang. Right now, I'm planning to expand more business outside, like going into stock market and all.
Currently, I have my own condo that I'm paying for. Tapos I was able to get my first car through UNO. And also the best part, UNO will be expanding its first branch in the States, which I will be co-owning also. Yung pinaka-prices pa rin is the leadership trainings, personal development, and of course yung mga other characteristics and traits na nade-develop sa'yo while doing UNO.
Natututo kang mag-handle ng mga tao, paano ka makikipag-ugnayan sa mga tao. Iba kapag nagne-negosyo ka. So, ang natuwa ko, yung UNO, negosyo siya.
Na-attract talaga ako dun sa idea na I could actually start my own business na small capital lang pero malaking returns. Plus, this is something that I could actually do part-time. Besides that kasi, yung system na UNO, I found out na proven and tested na siya. Kumbaga parang franchising, but in a micro level. So, yun yung nakita ko sa UNO.
Sa mga kagaya ko na kabataan, mga estudyante na mataas mangarap, I just hope na i-open mo yung mind mo sa mga opportunities. I just hope na i-open mo yung heart mo sa mga darating sa yung blessing. Kasi once you're close-minded, mahirap pumasok ang blessing.
Kahit bata ka pa lang, pwede ka namang kumita. So, huwag kang matakot. Para kang tumataya. Hindi mo alam kung mananalo ka o matatalo. Pero walang iba makakapagsabi kung mananalo ka or matatalo. Yung sarili mo lang din. Yung pangarap mo, hindi lang basta pangarap. Dapat gumagawa ka ng paraan para ma-achieve siya.
It's never too early to start earning. And it's definitely not too early to start your own business. Ang youth naman talaga, or yung kumbaga pagiging bata is never really a hindrance para may ma-accomplish ka maganda sa buhay mo.